Go for the next question. What is that? A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of volume. So, see, in each and every gulab jamun, there is a 30% of the volume of the syrup. Syrup means that what we call liquid. Here, the thick liquid here. So, like which is made up of some sugar. So, find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun. So, for one gulab jamun, 30%. For 45 gulab jamun, how much? First, we have to calculate the 45 gulab jamun volume. See, one gulab jamun volume, if you know, we can get 45 gulab jamun volume. So, from that 45 gulab jamun volume, so each shape like so. How we can calculate each gulab jamun volume? Each shaped like cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. Look at that. Each is shaped like a cylinder, they are telling. So like a cylinder, and which is stuck with the hemispheres on the both the ends, two ends. So here with the length, how much length is going to be 5 centimeter and diameter is going to be what 2.8. So diameter is 2.8, so that height is 1.4. Sorry, radius is 1.4. Now, here if you observe carefully, first we have to calculate one gulab jamun volume, after that 45 gulab jamun volume, after that 30%. Once again, first one gulab jamun volume we have to calculate, after that 45 gulab jamun volume we will get, from that we can calculate 30%. That 30% will become the amount of the syrup. So let us see, how can I find? First, so they have given in the figure also, let it be. So given first gulab jamun shape like cylinder stuck with hemisphere on both the ends, like this. This we won't be, but for our convenience we are drawing this. Now what they told, shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with the length. So length is what here, total 5 centimeter. Look at here carefully, the total length is 5 centimeter. Next, length of jamun, JAMUN, is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Next, radius of hemisphere will be what? The radius of hemisphere will be 2.8 by 2. Radius of hemisphere or cylindrical portion is 2.8 by 2 by 1.4. Since the diameter is 2.8, they have given 1.4 centimeter. This length of the gulab jamun they have given. So now first height, otherwise, so this is going to be radius and this is also going to be radius, am I right? So here to here length is what? 1.2. This is also going to be 1.2 or 1.4. 1.4. So indirectly this will become what? 5 minus 2.8. 5 minus 2.8 is what? 2.2. Look at here. This is 1.4, this is 1.4. Total is 5. So 5 minus 2.8 you will get. Simply, so height of cylindrical portion is equal to total height minus 2 into radius of hemisphere. Why I am telling? this radius will become height here. So that is total height of the cylinder is what? 5 minus 2 into radius is what? 1.4. So 5 minus 2.8. 5 minus 2.8 is what? 2.2. Everything is in centimeters. Let it be. So now we got all the heights, all the all the heights we got. So now radius also we know. Volume of one gulab jamun is equal to pi r square h. So let us make this as capital H, and let us make pi r square h, and no need to capital H, small h, only one h is need enough. Two gulab jamuns are there. One gulab jamun volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So 2 are there. 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. So it will become pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square will be common. H plus 4 by 3 r. H plus 4 by 3 r. What we can get from this? H plus 4 by 3 r. So here I can write 22 by 7 into radius is what? 1.4. 1.4 into 1.4 plus what you'll get? Height is going to be 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into h they are telling. 4 by 3 into h is 4 by 3 into r. R is what? R is 1.4 again. 7 1 is 7, 0.2 is. This will be 22 into 0.2 into 1.4 into care should be taken. 2.2 plus 4 into 1.4 by 3. What you'll get? So this one is 22 into 0.2 into 1.4, 6.6 plus 5.6 divided by 3. Still I can write this one as I can write this one as 22 into 0.2 into 2. Let it be 0.2 into 2. Otherwise 22 into 0.2 will be 4.4. 22 to the 44. Leave one decimal here. Into 1.4. 6.6 plus 7.2. 6 plus 11. 6 plus 5 11. 12.2 it is. Divided by 3. Once again 6 plus 5 11, 6 plus 6 12, 1.2 you will get. Then it will be 12.2. Is there any chance of cancellation here? Now this is the volume of each syrup. Next volume of total how many are there? 45 gulab jamun. Don't simplify here, last you will get a simplified form. 45 gulab jamun is equal to 45 into 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 15s. So if you simplify here again it will go decimal. That is the reason I did not force you to do. 15 into now 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2. Now this one will be now the amount of syrup will be equal to 30% of total. This is total 45 gulab jamun volume. So what you'll get? 30% of total is what? 15 into 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2. So this will be 30 by 100. Again 15, 4.4, 1.4, 12.2. Little bit complex in the simplification. 0 0 cancel. So now you do one thing. So do the simplification for this. 15 3s are 45 into 4.4 into 1.4 into 12.2 divided by 10. So you leave the decimal and multiply all this. So then after that put the decimal point. So then you'll get the clarity very easily what we have to do. So this is about the question number 10. So otherwise just this is also going to be 4.5. 45 by 10 is 4.5. Do 45 into 44 into 14 into 12.2, so that leave the decimals. After getting the answer, how many decimals we have to leave? If it is 4.5, so how many decimals we have to leave? See, 4.5, 4.4, 1.4, 12.2. So you do the multiplication for this. After that we have to leave 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals we have to leave, and we need to take the point.